Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be going through 5 versus 8 versus 13 EMA strategy. So first go through my disclaimer section. I'm a SEBI certified research analyst and the purpose of these video are only learn the technical system on the basis of charts, and these are only probability and do not assure any warranty. EMA, exponential moving average. First question, what is EMA? So EMA is type of moving average where we places higher important to the latest data and the lower important to the initial data. Where the system can be applied or where these setups can be applied. So these setups can be applied 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, even day charts. And the result will change depend on setups and depend on time frames. So how this EMA 5 versus 8 versus 13 works, and what are the advantages of this strategy? So first advantage, this is an improved version of 5 versus 13 EMA, and it gives quick return in the trending market as EMA picks the price movement faster. Another advantage is it cuts down the fake signal, and if there is sudden movement in the price which does not carry forward to the next few days or next few time frame. Another advantage of this system is a small time frame like 5 minutes along with 1 hour can be used very well for the future and option trading. Your entry criteria or the buy criteria. As the EMA 5 crosses EMA 8 and EMA 8 crosses EMA 13 on upside, we enter into buy side near to the 5 EMA line. Sell or exit criteria. Same on downside, as 5 EMA crosses 8 EMA and 8 EMA crosses 13 EMA on downside. During that time we try to sort the market or exit from the market near to the 5 EMA line. Topic of the system. Of course, like every other system, there will be some advantage and some disadvantage. So the disadvantage or drawback of this system is this is a lagging indicator. So if even we are talking about 5, 8 and 13, we are looking at data which are 5 days old, 8 days old or 13 days old. So we are taking a decision today on the basis of data which is 13-day old. So a lot of movement that we are trying to catch might have already gone. Another bigger disadvantage of this system is when the market is choppy and the directionless, during that time this system doesn't give sound result. This system gives lot of bad result also. Okay, so let us take our first example, Nifty on the daily chart. Okay, here our dark green arrows are representing the buy signal. If they are sell signal, they are represented by dark red arrows, and the brown arrows representing no confirmed signal or the choppy market or the situations where we are neither having a proper buy or proper sell signal. So we look in this system near to my mouse. This is like around June, July, this is around June 2020, something around 9500 line or 9400 line. We have a clear buy signal on Nifty where the 5 EMA was above 8 EMA and 8 EMA was above 13 EMA, and if you look at continuously, this signal was continuously maintained till at least 6-7 months until 11,500 where it made a small sell signal, and then again the same signal picked up something around 12,000 mark where again 5 EMA have crossed 13 EMA and 8 EMA, and from there it went till 14,300. I think it might have went till 16,000 also. So these are not the system where we are talking about 200 point gain or 100 point gain or 5% of the gain. These are the system where we are looking for long term setup, where we are looking for 20, 25, 30% gains on the indexes. Okay, now second example, we are again taking on the long term setup, that is our daily chart, and here we are looking at example of the index, second most important index, Bank Nifty. if you look at near to my mouse where the green big arrow is, I think it's around 36,000 or 37,000 where we had a clear buy signal, 37,500, and that carried all the way till 41,000. Okay, the sell signal formation happened at somewhere around 40,000 or so. Still, if you look from this point, which is 37,500 to something around 40,000, so something around 2,500 point gain on Bank Nifty within a period of less than a month. Okay, now clearly look a sell signal. This red thick arrow clearly representing a sell market. So this is a time where the one should come and sort the Nifty, or sorry, sort the Bank Nifty. And if you look from here, it's continuously going down until here 36,500 or 36,600. This is a time where it signal clearly turned into a buy signal. So if you have sorted here somewhere around 39,500, one should have stay on the short position till at least here 36,500. So which is a good 2,500 point gain on downside. Okay, again you see where you say clear buy signal, somewhere here you can take a buy trade, and then from this point, which is I would say 36,500 or say on higher side 37,000, we again saw gain of 39, market going up to 39,000. So there are many ways to play on these signals. One, like you buy into it and then you hold on to until you see a sell signal. Other way, you can hold on to a buy signal and make some point where you need to exit, because you don't know when the sell signal will happen. So you see these setups are giving you 2,500 point, and you know anytime you see 2,000 point gain, you'll just exit from the market. You don't care about it. You don't care even it goes 5,000 point. You just know, okay, the moment I see a 2,000 point gain, I don't care, I will exit, and I will only enter into the next signal. So okay, now we'll look into another fresh sell signal on Bank Nifty here, another red thick arrow, and this sell formation happened somewhere around 38,000, I think the last month, and then it continued from 38,000, I think, and the market came till even 32,000, 32,500. So if you look from downside, it has given almost a 600 point gain on downside from the sell formation. And if you see when again the next buy formation happened, so I think it happened somewhere around 36,000. So if you look from 38,000 and again buy it here, you may only get 2,000. But if you see that the highest gain from 38,000 came up to 6,000 point. Okay, again let's look into Reliance Daily chart. Buy signal happened around 1450. Which continued almost 3-4 months, and yeah, there was a lot of choppy market, so one can exit in the choppy market until the market become directionless. So even if somebody exit here, it has given you from 1450 to at least 2000, so nearly a 2050, so nearly a 600 point gain on the buy side. Now you see many times the market will go in the choppy mode. Choppy mode means the signal will not have a clear direction, and they may go up, they may come down, again signal may go up. So in those scenario where you see the signal is continuously changing, you can stay away from the signal, from the taking any trade for 2, 3, 5 days or a week, until you see the clear direction formation happen in one direction, and at least for 1 week the direction continues. It means for 1 week, 5, if you are looking for long side, 5 EMA stays 1 week above line 8 and 8 stays above 13. So we think, okay, the direction is at least in the one side, and then we can go long. Same way on the sell side. Now let's see, let's take another example in the Reliance also. A 2250 was a sale, clear sale, where both the parameter were meeting, and then yeah, you see it came down all the way till 1815, so which is around 400 point. But yeah, there was no clear buy signal until here, which is 1950. So from 2250 we came up to 1950 where we would have covered our position. So around a 300 point game on the sorting side on the Reliance. Same way Bajaj Finance, I think it's very explanatory. It has given him a tremendous gain. We'll take another example, NTPC, very explanatory, continuously on the buy side. Okay, now we'll reduce the time frame to 1 hour, and then this is a more of a trading setup or short-term setups. So I took another example. The example is HDFCBank, and we kept it on the 1 hour chart. So around a month of data or 2 months of data is this. Again, the green arrow represent buy signals. So you see somewhere around here, 5 EMA means 5 hour EMA was greater than 8 hour and 8 greater than 13 hour, and here we took a buy side trade or long side trade, which is around 1390 or 1400, and it continued all the way till 1450, so around 50 point. Okay, so now we are looking into hourly chart. Okay, we are not looking into daily chart where you expect 20 or 25% of return. So we are looking into future kind of trades where 3 to 4% is a very good return because this event took place only in 2 or 3 days. Like these are only hourly candle. So from here to here, this movement is only 6 to 8 candles, or maybe 10 to 12 candles. Same way on the sell side, you see clear short here somewhere around 1415, and the HDFCBank came till 1355. So roughly a 60-70.45% on the short side. Another example, a buy side, near to 5 EMA somebody will buy 1390 or 1395, and the trade continued all the way till here 1430, 1450. So another 60-70 point gain, which is a 4-5% gain. Same way, now I took example of Bank Nifty into short term time frame, and I think this is something many people will want to see. So, and this is last month data, like today's data actually. So if you see a clear sell signal, thick red arrow around 36,000, which continues all the way till 32,500, and if you see if you have to exit on a buy signal, so the buy signal formation happen here at 33,500. So somewhere around 36,500 to 33,500, a 3,000 point gain on Bank Nifty, and I think this time frame will not be less than 2 weeks on a hourly chart. Now at this green arrow we have a buy setup. Okay, so now your buy setup formation happen clearly here. You see purple line greater than black line greater than green line. So this is a buy setup, and if you see somewhere around here near to 5 EMA 33,500, take on little higher side. This point we take a buy trade, 33,500 we take a buy trade, and then this trade continued all the way till here. Maybe this point you will exit here maybe, which is again 36,000. Take little or 500 point on downside further. You did not see that it happened next few hours. So 35,500. So you enter here, that is 33,500, and you exit here 35,500. Still between ups and down you have a 2,000 point gain from this point to this point, and again this is not even 3 weeks. This is just 2.5 week of data, like 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. So yeah, this is less than 10 days of trading data. So this is just 2 weeks of data. Okay, I talked a lot about choppy signal. I'll give you example of what choppy signal is. So this is clear example of choppy signal. Now you see, when we say buy signal means 5 is greater than 8 and 8 should be greater than 13, then it's a buy. Same way on the sell side. Now here I am trying to show you a choppy signal or wrong signal. Okay, this is a wrong signal. So this is a signal we need to avoid. Now you see your 5 line came below 8 line. Clearly see here, in this point where my mouse is, the 5 EMA line have came below the 8 EMA line. But if you look at 8 EMA below line was above the 13 EMA, and in order to sort the market 8 EMA should also come below the 13 EMA. So 5 should be less than 8, 8 should be less than 13, which didn't happen. So if you wrongly read 5 some other setup, you may short the market here. But if you read this setup correctly, you know this formation didn't happen, all three lines not in sync, so you will not sell the market here. If you are holding a long position, you may still hold on to long, or you can just exit your long position. Okay, and then if you see here, just after the wrong fake signal, fake sell signal, next few days market turned on the buy side. Again you have a 5 versus 5 gone above 8, 8 gone above 13. So this is again a buy setup, which is 35,500. You have a buy signal, confirm buy signal, and then which gone up again 36,400, 36,500. So yeah, 36,600. So yeah, from here you saw 1,000 point gain in just one day. Okay, so once you read a fake signal, you see that, and then you don't enter into fake signal. When you see a right direction, you see the direction move, like a 1,000 point move on the bank nifty in just a couple of days. Same way, STL Tech. The video is getting very lengthy, so yeah, we have 3 buy signal, clear buy signal. You look into detail when you put up your chart. Clear buy signal are giving you 300 points of gain, 910 to almost okay, this is hourly chart, so 910 to 980, 90 point of gain, 10% of gain on a hourly chart. It's a very good gain. So same way, Tata Motor, they are choppy market and they are clear green signal, which has given you very good gain. Like from here, this point at time 302 to it's something around 300 to 315. Okay, 5% of gain. If you look from here, something around 310 to market gone up to 332, 332. So it is a 6 to 8% gain. So these are hourly chart, 7, 8, 6, 5. These 4 to 5% gain are very good gain. Okay, so that is all for today. So before we wrap up this video, there's a line from Mr. Buffett: the stock market is no called strike game. You don't have to swing at everything. You can wait for your pitch. And if you ask me what it means to me, it means you can avoid lot of false signals when you get into trade. You wait for right signal, you wait for right setup, and then you enter into your setup. Okay guys, so yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.